Do Ayurvedic medicines have side effects? What is adverse drug reaction? Do Ayurveda have explanation about adverse drug reaction? Watch till the end. Namaste friends. Ayurveda is a traditional medical system that originated in India. It aims to integrate and balance the body, mind and spirit to help prevent illness and promote wellness. In ancient times, the Ayurvedic physician prepared medicines for their patients themselves. Today, only a handful of practitioners follow this practice and production, and sale of Ayurvedic drugs have become formalized into thriving industry. Manufacture and marketing of Ayurvedic drugs is covered by Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Broadly speaking, two categories of medicines labeled as Ayurvedic are available in the market. Firstly, classical Ayurvedic formulations which are as per descriptions in Ayurveda Samhitas. Secondly, patent and proprietary formulations made of extraction of herbs. According to Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940, the Ayurvedic drugs which contain herbs like Ahifena, Arka, Bhallataka, Bhanga, etc. and the drugs which contain metals or minerals like arsenic, mercury and lead cannot be sold as over-the-country product. But due to lack of proper implementation of this law, many products are sold without prescription of a qualified Vaidya. There is a popular misconception that Ayurvedic medicines are devoid of adverse reactions. According to a survey, 1/5 of internet available Ayurvedic medicines contain toxic metals. Unfortunately, are being taken as self-medication by the patients. Ayurveda has given potential importance to patients' safety and benefits. In fact, drug safety is a very basic fundamental concept of medical practice. Ayurveda always emphasized on safe treatment, which includes elevates the disease by not instigating another diseases. For this achievement, various modalities of drugs and its administration, along with cautions and restrictions, have been suggested throughout the Samhitas. This proposes that the knowledge of drug safety is known to the authors of Ayurveda. A response to a drug which is noxious and unintended and which occurs at doses normally used in man for the prophylaxis, diagnosis or therapy of a disease or for modification of physiological function is adverse drug reaction. Ayurveda texts have mentioned various causes of adverse drug reaction which seems to be not much different than those explained in modern pharmacology, such as excessive effects, drug interaction, drug intolerance in susceptible patients, idiosyncrasy, and drug allergy. The word adverse drug reaction may not be found in Ayurvedic literature, but the concepts and safety issues are vibrant throughout the texts of Ayurveda. Overall, different causes of adverse drug reaction told in Ayurveda can be grouped under following headings: drug interaction, iatrogenic, overdose, administration of unwholesome drugs, administration of medicine in diverse pathological stages, therapeutic procedure complication, and mainly improper use of rasaushadis. Preventive measures. Ayurveda emphasizes on safe treatment, hence to prevent the drug-induced illness, many restrictions have been suggested, which includes GMP, concern on administration, prescription of expired medicine, knowledge of inappropriate drugs, examination of patient and disease before prescription. Pharmacovigilance is the science and activities relating to the detection, evaluation, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect or any other drug-related problem. It plays an important role in optimizing drug safety and improving treatment outcome. Attention is given to the factors like physical appearance of the part of the plant to be used, its properties, action, habitat, season in which it grows, harvesting condition, method of storage, and pharmaceutical processing, which must be considered while selecting the starting material that goes to form a medicine. Similarly, Charaka also describes elegantly several host-related factors to be considered when selecting medicines in order to minimize adverse reactions. Drug safety continues to play an important role in patient care and disease management in any branch of medicine. When it comes to issue of safety related to herbal and Ayurvedic medicine, the matter becomes very important as it shakes the beliefs of patient related to safety of Ayurveda. It has to be understood that use of all sorts of medicines are associated with some degree of risk, and it totally lies with treating physician to trade off between the benefits and the potential risk. Risk can be considerably reduced by use of good quality medication and following various guidelines and instructions mentioned in Ayurvedic classics related to administration of drug. To achieve this, it is very important to understand and study principle of drug safety mentioned in Ayurveda. A rich textual knowledge is necessary while practicing to minimize the occurrence of adverse drug reactions. Charaka says that even a strong poison can become an excellent medicine if administered properly. On the other hand, even a most useful drug can act like a poison if handled carelessly. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe the channel.